No, I want to stand up to what Peter didn't have. I wanted him to add that you buried your mother in Opa. And I was not there. Many of you will not know that Zenco is my creation. That is the truth. Where I started doing business in Navy, Zenco was a member of that team. And he grew from there to become Zenco. If he didn't walk through my own team, it cannot be Zenco. So God used that team which I created in the Navy. He makes his way up, and I'm happy. Like many other Igbo people, many other entrepreneurs. I came for condolence, and I said, may the soul of your mother rest. I promise you I will be there, but I did not come because of the budget. The budget went so bad with our colleagues, and we cannot leave the job of President Ahmed Tinubu in the hands of colleagues who misplace the job.
Yes.
Hey! I will win now. And then sugar. But I do say sugar. And also my able to pass.
Yes.
But in the Navy. This is my product. All from our account, that is not the thing.
Yes.
We never say it to anybody. You heard him say it. Because we have created wealth.
Oh, okay, now, but you already worth 57 million. Now, big day, one of my boys here was my man.
Okay, you won't. Oh, no,
That one,
oh, yeah, why did you do
Okay.
Yes, everyone. Baby, but I want to buy the movie. If I not real, only open up here and I can
My brother. 47. Oh, yeah. That's the second time in 5 years that I'm coming to Anambra with multiple cows. 46 plus 47. Yes. Lenny Zenco neme ba Zenco. Zenco eme koleki wewe mama magame 470. 470. Ego.
problem with a baby.
Mameko. Ay, mameko. Try. Mommy. Mommy.